This is what the sun sounds like. It was captured by NASA's Parker Solar Probe, the closest spacecraft ever to the sun. Since sound can't travel through the vacuum of space, this wasn't recorded by a microphone. The probe measured waves and charged particles flowing from the sun, and scientists converted that data into sound. If sound could travel through space, the sun would be incredibly loud. By the time it reached Earth, it would still be around 100 decibels, about as loud as a motorcycle right next to you 24 hours a day. Here's the full clip.